Hello, this is Cheo with another Chit Chat. Happy Be Kind Week, Lobos. We have been talking about it for a long time and it's finally here. Congratulations to our Be Kind winners. These are the bingo winners, especially Nancy Reisenhoover, Linnea Woodrinma, and Vanessa Frank. Congratulations to you. They won our grand prize packs, which were filled with tons of goodies. Please check the Be Kind UNM social media pages for the kindness videos and posts all week long. Due to the weather on Monday, the Lobo Food Pantry has been moved to tomorrow, February the 18th from 11:30 a.m. till 1:30 p.m. behind the UAEC building or the tennis courts on the main campus. The Be Kind team has prepared bags of kindness goodies, and you can pick up these bags as you pick up your goodies. And again, here is what's in those bags. They're filled with sunglasses, hand sanitizer, masks, t-shirts, socks, and much more. On Monday, the Student Union Building, or the SUB, was able to begin providing an indoor dining area on the mall level across from the open food courts or the venues, the food venues. And please note, this will be the only area outside of a private office space that food and beverages can be consumed. This will help the SUB staff monitor and ensure they are providing a safe environment. So please keep each other healthy, Lobos. And just a reminder that we continue to celebrate Black History Month. Tomorrow, African American Student Services is hosting Raw Tuba Talk featuring Dr. Richard White of the UNM Music Department at 4 p.m. Via Zoom. They're also streaming Raw Tuba documentary all this week. And so please visit afro.unm.edu for more information about Dr. White and his incredible story. And just a reminder that applications for the Lobos Got Talent are currently being taken. Apply today for your chance to win a monetary prize for first, second, and third place, and a $50 prize for audience choice. The deadline to apply is Monday, March the 1st, and the show will be on Tuesday, March the 9th. Please visit sac.unm.edu for all of the details. And finally, another reminder that nominations are currently being taken for the Clove Outstanding Senior Awards. I encourage you to nominate a senior who you might think is eligible for one of these prestigious awards. The deadline to apply is on Monday, March the 7th. Please see the written version of this chit chat for all of the details. Until next time, this is Cheo, and please stay safe and healthy.